Hi, how are you? Today I will share with you how to remove the wiper from the car. I told you why I did this because I start car wrapping from a couple of months ago, and I have two problems with car wrapping: how to remove this one and also how to remove the handle. Today we will see how to remove the wiper, and next video we'll see how to remove the handle to wrapping. First thing, we need to remove this part, plastic part. We need to use something plastic. Take care because this glass we don't need to damage the glass. From here, you need to remove it slowly, and by your hand, you can remove it like this. Now we need to remove this nut. Remove the nut. Take care, don't miss this one. And I have special part to remove the wiper. You can find this one in Amazon and eBay. I will leave the link in comments to try to buy it. We will put this one here. Push until this one face the screw inside. Now we will try to remove the wiper. Now this one is very easy. Why we do this? Because now I can put the wrapping sticker or see-through in the glass, just open this one. Before I can't. I damage a lot of the sticker until I learn this one. Thank you. See you next video. Bye.